You immediately feel your palms sweat and your adrenaline kick in. Even though it would have only been a fender bender, your heart is racing. All the thoughts of dealing with paperwork, insurance, explanations, all come rushing forth. These small, almost daily moments highlight the exact need for defensive driving. Literally, from one second to another, your entire life can change, or even worse, be gone. Auto accidents contributed to nearly 33,000 deaths per year, the vast majority of which could have been prevented. Small, everyday distractions and factors, from a phone call to a light rain, can cause your accident to happen, not only impacting your own life and your family's, but if other vehicles are involved, those lives are forever changed too. Welcome to the Defensive Driver 101 orientation course, the goals of which are to educate you on the following learning objectives: vehicle inspection, defensive driving basics, distracted and impaired driving, road rage, nighttime driving, hazardous weather, accidents and breakdowns.